Here I have Motorola Moto G41, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery, here in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.